everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Samir Inc. In this video I'm going to be talking about ways to make money and also ways to make bitcoins. Today this video is going to be about bitcoins. I will make another video later on of the week about how you could make money using application that pay you straight to your PayPal. So let's go ahead and start with this video. We're going to talk about Bitcoin Blast. This application, they pay you in bitcoins straight to your Coinbase. Let's go ahead and start this application. Alright, now it's loading. Alright, let's start it. So you see on the top it says option to cash out. I made about 79,546 points using this application, playing a few games. It's fun games, you know, playing them, collect points, and I could just cash it out to my Coinbase wallet. So they pay you in bitcoins. There's also a different application they have. They could give you other currency like Ethereum, other currency as well. But this application only give you bitcoins. So let's start this. Let's start the game, and I'm going to show you what kind of games it is. All right. So we click on it. And just go through ads. The ads are really quick, you know. Don't stay longer. It'll be easy and quick, as you see. Alright, just follow the details about each level. As you see right here, I'm level 55, and the next reward is 1152. Let's start a game. I'm going to show you what kind of game it is and how to play it. Here we go. See those two bricks right here? We have to get a lot of those. Called. Points I could get. It's hard, you know, it's hard to play while you're talking. You guys deserve to know other ways to make money. So now she can get the other one. I just get points. Even if you lose, you get points. And you can play again. You got about 22 try or 22 games you can play. If you lose, just click on watch ad and just start again. Alright, so yeah, here we go. I made about 80,698 points, and I'm going to click on home. As you see right now, I got about 80,698 coins, and I could withdraw it straight to my Coinbase, and I would get about 81 bitcoins. So it's not 81 point something. No, it's just a portion of the bitcoins. It will go straight to my account. I've been able to cash out multiple times, and I would get the coin straight to my Coinbase account toward bitcoins. And so for me, I tried it. It works. It's legit. Give it a try. If you have any question or you need to know more info, leave a comment in the below, and I will try my best to reply to everyone. Alright guys, have a great day, enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you in next video. Peace.